Hey y'all, welcome back to Star Flavor King, where we bring you the best recipes from the stars themselves. Today I'm bringing you a lil slice of heaven straight from Dolly Parton's kitchen. That's right, we're diving into one of her most beloved recipes. We're making her famous walnut pie from her cookbook, Dolly's Dixie Fixins. This pie is a true southern delight, y'all. Let me tell you, it's as sweet and nutty as Dolly herself. All right, let's get started. You're gonna love how simple and delicious this recipe is. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a few basics that you probably already have in your kitchen. 1 fold-out pie crust, 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar. This will give your pie that perfect sweetness. 3/4 cup of light corn syrup. It adds a lovely texture and sweetness. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a pinch to balance out the flavors. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This will give your pie a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor. 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Butter makes everything better, doesn't it? 1½ cups of finely chopped walnuts. These are the star of the show. And some whipped cream to garnish. Because who doesn't love a little extra creaminess on top? Now, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. This is crucial to get that perfect crust. Line a 9-inch pie plate with your thawed crust. Easy enough, right? Make sure it's nice and even. Grab a large bowl in your trusty mixer. We're about to mix up some magic. Beat those eggs until they're nice and frothy. This will give your pie a light and airy texture. Gradually add in your sugar, corn syrup, salt, and vanilla. Take your time to ensure everything is well mixed. Mix till it's all combined. You want a smooth, consistent mixture. Now pour in that melted butter and beat until it's fully incorporated. This will add richness to your pie. Pour the mixture into your pie shell. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Now comes the fun part. Sprinkle those chopped walnuts evenly on top. This is what makes the pie truly special. It's looking good already. You can almost taste it, can't you? Pop that pie into the oven and bake for 10 minutes. This initial high heat will set the crust. Then reduce the heat to 300 degrees and let it bake for an additional 45 minutes. But wait, after 30 minutes, place an aluminum foil collar around the edge of the crust to keep it from burning. This little trick will save your crust from getting too dark. Once your pie is done, let it cool completely. This is the hardest part, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Trust me, the wait is worth it. The flavors meld together beautifully as it cools. Finally, serve it up with a dollop of whipped cream. This adds a lovely creamy contrast to the nutty pie. Voila! You've just made Dolly Parton's walnut pie. It's a showstopper, y'all. It's the perfect mix of sweet and nutty, just like Dolly herself. Every bite is a little piece of southern heaven. So if y'all love this recipe, give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Spread the love and the deliciousness. Thanks for watching and happy bacon. We appreciate y'all. See y'all next time on Star Flavor King. Keep cooking and keep smiling.